So, Ryan's here. We just took some time to sit and watch the live stream. Dave's Bonsai, Dave Harding, who's got Corbin on.
I'm chatting on the iPad.
I've got my phone for a bit of chat. And we've just been called out in the chat by Uncle Tom.
We've got our Howard tops on.
He's after us putting the egg in the pint. So, we're in the kitchen.
We need a pint first.
Ryan's got his pint. It's close to a pint.
Ambient temperature isn't so much what you need to care about when you get.
And I just happen to have
I keep them in a hoop house or my greenhouse.
some eggs
That
with me Howard
I
top.
don't let it drop. Below,
Get on, look at our Howard.
38, 40 at the lowest. But I have the heat.
So he's got half a pint left.
Well, good dialogue.
Considering you're going to drink this in one go, I think half a pint's good because you're slow and steady, aren't you?
So are you.
I'm less than half a pint, and that's probably all I can manage anyway. So we'll crack you an egg in, shall we? You ready?
Go for it. Is this for Uncle Tom?
This is for
Uncle
St.
Tom.
Thomas of Chicago.
No, that looks fucking horrible.
By special request.
Probably not a heat mat.
You first.
One for you.
Most of them. Almost all of my stuff I keep outside.
Can I comment in the chat, Tom, you
Yeah,
twat?
yeah. One for me.
Stuff that you have to keep in a cold frame. And I have a large heated that I don't let drop below 38.
Two for Scott.
Not two for Scott, I'm afraid.
Yeah, that's little tidbits I can give you on the core.
Look at that floating in there.
And be safe. I've
Look.
been to a lot of mountain
I think I'd rather put the beer on the chicken than the chicken on the beer.
Aye, Natural State Bonsai says I'd rather put the beer on the chicken instead of the chicken in the beer.
So I'll assume the position next to you.
Where's the bag?
You're not allowed to sick it up or anything, you've just got to drink it.
and 80-foot drop.
Really?
This is going in.
And it's coming out.
No, it's not coming out. It's going in and it's staying in one go.
Around the corner of this ledge and but I smell something dead.
I feel like I've been you've been frightened here.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Laying there.
Well, at least eggs are good for you. So
Cheers, mate.
cheers, brother.
You
Bottoms up, down the hatch,
You go for it.
and here we go. We'll go at the same time.
Right, go.
Is it 1, 2, 3 and go, or is it 1, 2
Came back
and go on
the
3?
next morning and got the tree.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2 and on 3.
Yeah.
Not 1, 2, 3 and go.
No, 1, 2, 3. Kiss your ass goodbye. Right?
1, 2.
Seasoned people, you get that fever. And you go to the woods or the mountains or wherever it is, like digging the bog. And all of a sudden you're just like, oh,
Not that bad, that.
you know,
Surprisingly,
like the kidney
it went down the hole.
and everything.
It's staying down the hole.
Please, sir, can I have some
Do you
more?
want another one?
Can I have some more?
He only did that so I'd make him another beer.
You've got to think I'm about 2 in front, though.
No, we've been on the same.
That's an extra one compared to that one.
300-pound tamarind.
Yes.
He's caught me out already, look.
And I'm about 2 or 3 bottles in front, yeah?
Why, were you having loads of bottles up there?
Well, you didn't think they just dissipated to the fucking trees. Look, we're back together. I know you've been waiting for a bit. So have we.
So Tom, that was for you.
Yes.
It was a long time coming. I'm going to go and reload the glasses so we can go again.
And
But
I've got-
not with the egg.
And we've got you a Howard Cup, which we're going to send you, Tom.
Howard Cup en route to Chicago.
With ta-da, folks, on the back.
In fact, you've been showing yours on the channel, haven't you?
Scott's got one. He's got the T-shirt. If I get any T-shirts in time, I'll send you a T-shirt and all.
So Tom, this is what you're getting.
I find
The ducking genius is on his way.
it doesn't matter.
Ta-da, folks!
So basically,
Aye, aye. I've still got Mr. Elephant and all, but I will last put him in the dishwasher and he looks a bit faded. He looks like an old elephant now. But he's still got a trunk like Ryan. Whimsy trunk.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
I meant the size on the cup.
Right, so after our interesting experience with the beer and the eggs.
Alright. It's just the same texture.
You just want to touch me all the time.
It's the same texture.
There's no wrinkles on a balloon, kid.
No comment.
So,
Back the video. Come on.
professionalism, come on.
Professional. Boom. Okay.
So, after our interesting experience on behalf of our good friend Sir Thomas of Chicago,
Uncle Tom.
with the egg in the beer, I think we could do it again, Tom. So you expect to see it again.
It wasn't that bad, actually.
It wasn't.
He couldn't even taste it. What do we call it? A miner's breakfast or something?
A miner's breakfast, yeah.
In the UK, it's a miner's breakfast.
We had it. What was it? Shotgun style, where you just drop the egg straight in. They do it in another style that they call a cocktail style, where you mix it up. But I don't think the stringy egg in the no. Shotgun was right for us, weren't it?
The protein's starting to fill. Bloop. Right, all jokes aside, come on, professionalism.
All jokes aside, you may as well go. You may as well go over there.
Come on, professionalism. Is that what you said?
So back to it. A few weeks ago,
Sorry, there's someone down there.
there'll be something on your head in a minute. A few weeks ago, our good friend Nate from the USA there came across, and he did a big tour of the UK and Ireland.
All over, wasn't he?
I think he's seen more of the UK and Ireland than you have.
I've got an Irish name, I haven't even been to Ireland.
So we're waiting for Nate to come back and take us and show us what he saw, because he's now seen more of the UK than we have.
Definitely.
But we have said that, Nate, we want you to come back. We'll put something together next time you come through.
And you still want to see me garden? It's just I was working this time.
That was part of what we were going to put together, wasn't it? We'll put a proper trip together where you can have a few days with us, rather than just being lumbered with me for an afternoon, which I'll apologise again, Nate.
How are you, man?
You didn't have to come down. Although I did beg.
I did. I dropped your trees.
So,
Back the video.
hi Nate. Nate kindly bought me and Ryan a present, and we may as well open it up, haven't we? Inside is a book of the life and works of Dan Robinson. It's a beautiful book, nice cover on it, lots of pages in there, so it really is a lifetime of works. There's a nice inscription on the inside. We both got the same one from Mr. Robinson. For Scott and Ryan, enjoy my journey, Dan Robinson. Now, hopefully,
Appreciate it, buddy.
if we ever get over to Nate's,
we'll have it on site.
Nate says we can. He goes over there regular, so we can go and see him. But Nate also put a nice little write in there for me, and he put a nice little write. Hey, yours is nicer than mine. What's going on?
Because I do bonsai.
Oh, that's what it is. I get enthusiasm. You talk about trees and things. Yeah. Okay, I get it.
What's that say? Full of crap at the bottom there. Oh no,
Yeah,
that's thanks Nate, man.
He said it. He said it in person.
Are you going to read the inscription? Off Nate.
My inscription reads, Scott, I really enjoy your approach and the enthusiasm you bring to bonsai. Thanks, Nate. Thank you, Nate.
Can I have 10 minutes to read mine?
No, you're straight into it.
Hold on, I'm dyslexic. Ryan.
I like the way they choose a word like dyslexic to explain dyslexic.
Dyslexic. How are you, the brains of that reason? Ryan, your larger trade styles have inspired and helped me find my path and paths for my bonsai. Thanks, Nate. Cheers, Nate. Love you, mate.
Inside the books, we've both got an Ellendon Gardens leaflet. which I believe Ellington Gardens is where he's offered to take if we ever make it over. You've got a card.
Bonsai Museum.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be nice.
You've got a card so you can contact Nate. You've got all his details there so you can spam him.
We've got him on WhatsApp anyways.
And you've got his favourite joke on the back. I'll let you know.
Oh, are we?
Do you know
nah, that's a shit joke. You can raise it, that's a shit joke.
A Buddhist goes up to a hot dog vendor and asks, "Can you make me one with everything?" So thanks for the card, Nate. Thank you. And then he also put in these prayer sheets, which you can hold, set fire to, and try not to burn yourself as you do your prayer.
Oh, sorry.
We'll probably do these later this evening, and we'll have a little prayer and thank for all that we have and all that. You can thank me for all that you have, and
Can I just wish for some money or some teeth?
oh, you no chance with your teeth.
I've only got 6 left. I've got one at the back. That's not
You'll
enough. I'll be eating your teeth.
You'll have 5 in a minute if you don't shut up.
I'll be eating like Roger Rabbit too.
So thank you, Nate. Thank
Cheers,
you very
Nate.
much.
Really
It was
appreciate
a
it.
really good day that we had with Nate. The video's still to come out. I just haven't got around to editing the last 5 videos that have been done.
Sorry.
Whilst he was over, we went to see the major oak, which unfortunately is deceased.
Which one's that?
The major oak at Sherwood Forest, yeah, it's a dead tree.
Still have a name saying it?
Well, we had the idea of putting a tanuki up it or something, get some oak whips and put some
Good
life
job
back
it's
into
dead,
it.
because you know me, I would have dug it up in Yamadori. So, all jokes aside, mate, I really appreciate it. Thanks very much. Like Scott says, we will do them prayer things. I don't know what he needs to wish for, but I'll be going for money. Like.
I just thank for everything that I've got, everything that I am, and everything that I will be.
He needs a bigger prayer sheet. Sorry, mate.
I was right when I said I was in trouble this evening.
What crap's this then?
Nate also sent a care package across when he returned.
If it's got any food in from America, mate, we'll have to send it back because you've all got poisonous shit in your food.
There's every chance there's a bit of food in here.
I'm just getting the weight off you, man. How would the top just fit you?
Let's have a look. I know what I told Dave that I really liked.
Come back. Dave?
Dave, did I say Dave?
You said Dave. Nate. He meant Nate. It's because he's been watching Dave on the live chat.
So this is a care package from Nate.
Yeah.
Not Dave.
No,
Nate.
Nate. He's lost up
Right, okay.
Right.
Nate kindly sent me a care package. You did have a comment about food.
Yes.
If there's food in it, it's got to go back because
It's got to go back to America because you've got too much shit in your food now.
But Nate...
But it's not allowed in England.
No, we banned a lot of it, haven't we? Nate, when he was over, I was sharing with him my delights for some of the snacks and things that there are in America. And I always bring a few back or buy some from Amazon. So he's kindly put a care package together for me.
I'll put your hand in my pocket now.
You want to be careful. Bit lethal with this knife.
There you go, that's the best thing in the bag of. Can't see him now.
Oh, Mr. Napkin Head.
Hello.
Oh my word.
Oh,
Okay.
for fuck's sake, look at all them milk duds.
Well, you know I like a dud. So we've got milk duds. 1, 2.
Where's my phone when I order them weight loss jams?
6.
Nate, Kier's gonna kill you.
7, 8, 9.
Kier's gonna kill you, mate.
an odd number because obviously.
Oh, no, 30%. That's fine.
30%, that's fine. Send them back. and ladies and gentlemen, the piece de resistance.
What's that? Twinkies?
Combos.
Do they call them Twinkies though?
Combos, my good friend. They're not Twinkies.
I gotta say, you like that cop out at Die Hard where he's got the Twinkies where the lass is pregnant.
Take that Twinkie out of your mouth.
No, for the wife.
I mentioned to Nate that I really liked.
Nate, you left the price in, mate. Well, I can tell you how much there are. Bloody hell.
I owe him a good few coffees.
I think you want a few coffees.
The combos, the original ones, the baked cracker version, cheddar cheese. Nate, you're a star.
Do you know what? That's from America, it's not proper cheese.
Well, I know it's not proper cheese, but I actually like it, so...
They use squeezed cheese.
I don't care what they use, I like it.
Have you seen them got through that
I
squeezy
don't
cheese?
care. Do I need to say it again?
They want to stop fucking killing all the cows in Texas and they can have proper cheese. Your lasses gonna bash you.
Beautiful. Thanks, Nate. I might even let you have one.
Ah, you want one? You didn't get this good looking late there, man. You didn't get that, pick the strawberries. Hey, kid's gonna kill you. That's why you've done the unrevealing, because their lasses away from the weekend. He's gonna stash them in the green wing, aren't you?
They're going to be hidden away and I shall slowly decimate the lot.
Do you know what we should do? We should do our prayer things now and just end the videos over with.
Let's go outside.
We might as well.
And burn the place down. So I'm going to go first. I'm going to fold up my prayer sheet as it says, as I've read some instructions. Nate did explain to me what to do, but I'm sorry, Nate, I've slept a few times since then.
I think they've got it folded towards equal sides.
I have read that you
rub it like that then.
You put people's, that might be what Nate was telling me, where you put it in your hand and you rub it a prayer and then you set fire to it. So I'm going to do a small personal silent one, and then you can do yours how you like. You'll go up well.
I like to do one for Pete. Then drop it on this grass. It's been too dry.
Oh, I feel better already.
I'm not going to do a silent one. I'm going to do this for my daughter who I lost. I think she'll be about 28 now, 29. So this is for our Tony. Love you, baby. It's gonna get out, see if I fucking hate you, Dad. Dad? My luck, isn't it?
Well,
If I didn't have bad luck, I'd have no luck.
no luck at all. I finished your prayer off for you.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you, Nate.
Cheers, Nate. Love you, mate.